This is the space where a dreamer can see a factory of the future. This is the space where innovators see the next generation of passenger vehicles. And these are the tools that built the car before the car was built. The tools that optimized the factory before the foundation was poured on this space. Because when you have the tools that combine the real world and the digital world, and when you give your teams the best technology today, you can build the products of tomorrow. This is the story of the comprehensive digital twin. The true story of visionary automakers that built the car, that built the factory from a space in less than 2 years. This is the digital future. This is Siemens Xcelerator, a catalyst for digital transformation.